Solved problems describing accounting equation. A is equal to L plus OE. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Problem. Galang Financial Planner. Financial Transaction Worksheet. Month of October 2021. Assets, liabilities, owner's equity, cash, accounts receivable, supplies, office equipment, liabilities and owner's equity. Balance 15,000 cash, 17,500 accounts receivable, 4,500 supplies, office equipment 153,000, liabilities 60,000, owner's equity 130,000. 1. 7,000 cash minus 7,000 accounts receivable. 2. Minus 5,000 cash, 5,000 supplies. 3. 25,000 office equipment, liabilities 25,000. 4. 24,500 accounts receivable, owner's equity 24,500. 5. 16,000 liabilities and 16,000 owner's equity minus. 6. Minus 6,500 cash minus 6,500 liabilities. 7. 3,700 supplies, liabilities 3,700. 8. Minus 2,500 cash, owner's equity minus 2,500. 9. Minus 5,000 cash, minus 5,000 owner's equity. Total 3,000 cash, 35,000 accounts receivable, 13,200 supplies, 178,000 office equipment, 98,200 liabilities, 131,000 owner's equity. Required 1. Describe each of the above transactions. The last transaction is the only transaction affecting the capital account that does not affect profit. 2. What was the change in cash account for the month? In Galang's capital. What was the change in Galang's capital also for the month? Let us describe and explain each transaction in the equation. 1. Balance 15,000 cash, 17,500 accounts receivable, 4,500 supplies, office equipment 153,000, liabilities 60,000, owner's equity 130,000. This is opening balance sheet entry 30th September 2021. The assets of Trista Galang Financial Planner consists of cash 15,000, accounts receivable 17,500, supplies 4,500 and office equipment 153,000, supported by liabilities 60,000 and owner's equity 130,000. Transaction 1. 7,000 cash minus 7,000 accounts receivable. This is cash debit and accounts receivable credit. That means the firm has received cash from the debtors. That means accounts receivable. Second transaction, minus 5,000 cash, 5,000 supplies. This is supplies debit and cash credit. That means the firm has purchased supplies for cash. Third transaction, 25,000 office equipment and liabilities 25,000. This is office equipment debit and liabilities accounts payable credit. That means the firm has bought office equipment on credit. Transaction number 4. 24,500 accounts receivable and owner's equity 24,500. This is accounts receivable debit and owner's equity credit. This is addition of accounts receivable on behalf of the owner. Transaction number 5. 16,000 liabilities minus 16,000 owner's equity. This is owner's equity debit and liability credit. This is addition of liabilities on behalf of the owner. Transaction number 6. Minus 6,500 cash minus 6,500 liabilities. This is liabilities debit and cash credit. That means the firm has cleared a part of its liability by paying through cash. Transaction number 7. 3,700 supplies, 3,700 liabilities. This is supplies debit and liabilities credit. That means the firm has bought supplies on credit. Transaction number 8. Cash minus 2,500, owner's equity minus 2,500. This is owner's equity debit and cash credit. This is drawings by the owner. That means the owner has withdrawn cash for personal use. Transaction number 9. Minus 5,000 cash minus 5,000 owner's equity. This is again owner's equity debit and cash credit. This is drawings by the owner. That means the owner has withdrawn cash for personal use. Summary of the transactions are described one by one here. Balance. This is opening balance sheet entry as on 30th September 21. The assets of Galang Financial Planner consists of cash 15,000, accounts receivable 17,500, supplies 4,500 and office equipment 153,000, supported by liabilities 60,000 and owner's equity 130,000. Transaction 1. This is cash debit and accounts receivable credit. That means the firm has received cash from the debtors' accounts receivable. Transaction number 2. This is a supplies debit and cash credit. That means the firm has bought supplies for cash. Transaction number 3. This is office equipment debit and liabilities accounts payable credit. That means the firm has bought office equipment on credit. Transaction number 4. This is accounts receivable debit and owner's equity credit. This is addition of accounts receivable on behalf of the owner. Transaction number 5. This is owner's equity debit and liability credit. This is addition of liabilities on behalf of the owner. 6. This is liabilities debit cash credit. That means the firm has cleared a part of its liability by paying through cash. Transaction number 7. This is a supplies debit and liabilities credit. That means the firm has bought supplies on credit. Transaction number 8. This is owner's equity debit and cash credit. This is drawings by the owner. That means the owner has withdrawn cash for personal use. Transaction number 9. This is owner's equity debit and cash credit. This is drawings by the owner. That means the owner has withdrawn cash for personal use. Changes in the cash account for the month. Cash account. Balance brought down 15,000. 1. Transaction 1. Accounts receivable 7,000. On the credit side, transaction number 2, supplies 5,000. Transaction number 6, accounts payable 6,500. Transaction number 8, drawings 2,500. Transaction number 9, drawings 5,000. Balance carried down 3,000. Total receipts 22,000. Total payments including balance carried down is 22,000. Balance brought down for the next month 3,000 on the debit side. Change in Galang capital for the month. Galang capital. On the credit side, balance brought down 130,000. On the credit side, transaction number 4, accounts receivable 24,500. On the debit side, 5, loan 16,000. Transaction number 8, drawings 2,500. Transaction number 9, drawings 5,000. Balance carried down 131,000 and balance brought down 131,000 credit. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.